Hello, my beautiful people. Coach Gaby here, and I'm super excited because today we have a low impact cardio workout, great for all different kinds of levels, all right? So let's get into it. If it's your first time here, welcome. I'm so excited to show you what Spelt has got to offer. If it's not your first time, welcome back. So happy to have you. We are gonna be doing 3 sets. The first one where I explain a little bit more, talk you through proper form, and then the other 2, we just get straight through it, less talking, more doing, all right? So starting with our first exercise, we're gonna be doing an arms up march, okay? So we're gonna have our arms up, remembering to keep our shoulders pushed away from our ears. It's kind of easy to scrunch up in this position, but we wanna push our ears away and keeping a nice proud chest while closing your rib cage. So open rib cage, closed rib cage, all right? And what we're gonna be doing is simply marching, all right? Bringing your knee up as high as you can, all right? Using your core muscles to bring your knee up. So you don't wanna meet your knee, you know, we're not doing a crunch. We're using our core muscles to bring our knee up while keeping a nice straight torso, all right? So 30 seconds on the clock, get in position. If this is too much for you, you can go ahead and keep your arms out to the side. If that's too much for you, go ahead and put your hands here where you can, hit your knees a little bit, bring them down, whatever works for you, okay? 30 seconds, big breath, and let's go. Alrighty, the entire body is engaged here. We talked about our shoulders being down, our chest being up, nice strong core, bringing our legs up. All right, and most importantly is breathing. Breathe in your nose, out your mouth. Very good. And chin is nice and up and proud. We're not, slouched over here. Up and having fun. 3, 2, 1, and good. Bring down those arms. Shake it out, shake it out. Next, we have a triangle step out. This is fun. It's a little bit of coordination, but don't worry, we're gonna get it. So starting here, we're going to step back and then to the side and then forward. So we just made a triangle, back, side, forward. Now, if you wanna do one side for now, and we can do the second side at the second set, or you can go ahead and switch them up. So I just started with my left, now I'm gonna go with my right. All right, and then left. So you can switch feet, make it even throughout the entire set, or you can do one foot now and then the other foot, the other set. All right, a little bit coordination, like I said, so take your time. It's not about how fast you do it, how many you do. Just, take your time, proper form, remembering all those cues, good posture, and have fun, okay? 30 seconds on the clock. And let's go. You can keep your hands on your, what are these called, hips, if that helps a little bit. Or if you feel like you got the step down and you wanna challenge yourself, go ahead and keep your arms up or down here. Very good. And breathing. Our heart rate is picking up a little bit, so we wanna breathe. Very good. 3, 2, 1. Finish out your triangle and done. Very, very good. That one we're exercising our body and our mind, okay? So very important as well. Next we have a windmill. So we're gonna have a slightly wider stance. Let me see, come up here. Slightly wider stance, wider than hip width apart. All right, your feet are facing forward. If you need to, they can be turned out a little bit. And arms to the side, and we're gonna reach for the opposite foot. So hand to opposite foot, and then this arm comes up, and then straighten into the other side. If you can't reach your toe, no problem, go for your shin, or go for your knee, okay? This is great for stretching out the hips. This works your back muscles, your core, your arms, everything. It's really awesome. A great warm-up exercise too, if you ever need a warm-up exercise, I definitely recommend windmill. 30 seconds on the clock, big breath, and let's go. Very good, coming up straight, going down with a straight back at first too. So I go straight, 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 and then I don't bend until I have to meet my other leg, all right? Straight and down, very good. When you come up though, remember not to open your rib cage, all right? Close it in and use control to stand up straight instead of splaying out. Very good. 3, 2, 1, and done. Very good. Shake it out. Get ready for a squatted front row. So these are fun. In squat position, our hips are hip width apart, all right? And it's like we're going to sit in an invisible chair, all right? Chair, our knees never pass our toes, and we have a nice straight back, all right? We're not arching, we're not rounded over, a nice straight back, all right? And we're going to have our arms out when we squat, and then row them in when we stand. Down, row, down, row. So a little bit of a combination movement, all right? 30 seconds, big breath, and let's go. So down, row, squeezing your back muscles, squeezing your shoulder blades when you row, and then release, squat, and repeat. Very good. Squeeze. And squeezing your bum when you stand up as well. Very good. Straight back, engaged core. Breathing, almost there. 3, 2, 1, hold, hold, and row. Very good. Awesome. Whew, I'm sweating, my heart rate is up. Definitely feel it. I hope you do too. Take a second, grab some water, breathe, stretch if you need to, and then get ready for set number 2. Alrighty, my beautiful people, set number 2, less talking, more doing. All right, we have our arms up, march, and then we have our triangle step out, our windmill, all right, and then our squatted front row. You got this, 30 seconds on the clock, starting with our arms up, march. Let's go. Don't forget to breathe, big breaths in your nose, out your mouth, strong core. Very good, almost there. Three, 2, 1, very good. Shake it out right to our triangle step out. 30 seconds on the clock. You got this, begin. Very good, breathe, chest is up, nice and proud. Tucked in tummy, even though we're just stepping, everything's engaged. And 3, 2, 1. Very good, awesome job. To our windmill we go. Nice big stance. Make sure I'm in the middle of the camera, hopefully. Big stance, arms out. And let's go. Three, 2, 1, and very good. Shake it out, shake it out. And in squat position, for our squatted front row. And let's go. Very good. Remember, straight spine, no arching. Squeezing your bum as you straighten, squeezing your back as you row. Three, two, one. Go ahead and hold that squat position. Hold and up. Very good. Set number 2 in the bag. 5-second break, drink water, breathe, stretch, and get ready for set number 3. You got this. 30 seconds on the clock, starting with our arms up march. Let's go. Three, two, one. Very good. Shake it out. Shake it out. Right to our triangle step out. 30 seconds on the clock. You got this. Begin. And 3, 2, 1. Very good, awesome job. To our windmill we go. Big stance, arms out. And let's go. Three, two, one, and very good. Shake it out, shake it out. And in squat position for our squatted front row. And let's go. Three, two, one. Go ahead and hold that squat position. Hold and up. And that was it. 3 amazing sets of a low impact cardio workout. Go ahead, give yourselves one of these and one of these. Like Coach Greg likes to say, don't forget to check out some of his videos. And I hope to see you on the next one.